load my screen right here, so you get to know that this is actually real money you guys are seeing right here on my screen. So you can see right here everything still remains the same. So now I'm going to proceed to showing you exactly how you can actually make money right here from our partner. What you need to do is put in landbot.io right here on your browser, and it's going to bring you to the Landbot platform right here. It's going to take you to the Landbot website right here. Is scroll down right to the end part of this page, and you're going to see where it actually says affiliate program. So click on affiliate program right there. Is to click on here which says join now. To get into the Landbot affiliate program right here, what you need to do is just input your first name. So you need to put in your first name, put in your last name, your email address as well. Make sure you put in the right email address. And for your website right there, if you don't have a website, what you can do is put a link to your social media account. It could be a link to your Instagram, it could be a link to your Twitter account or Facebook account. So you can just put any of that right here. And your business name, you can use your name as your business name as well. And afterwards, select your country type right here. Select the country where you're from. Just put in your country type right there, and here it says which of the following best identifies you. Just select this one, and you can put in where it actually says social media marketer right there, or select anyone that best defines you. So I'm just gonna click on social media marketer right here, and here I'm just gonna ignore that one, and here it says how familiar are you with Landbot and our product. So just click on it and click on where it actually says expert right there, and they're gonna ask you how do you plan to market Landbot. The step is what will you need to be a successful partner right there. So just put in where it actually says brand, image, and guidelines right here. So afterward, they're gonna ask you the next question, which is how large is your audience, email list, and followers right there. So what you want to put right here, you can put in 2,000, but I'm just gonna put in 5,000 right here. I'm gonna put in application right there. So when you click on submit application, what will happen is it's gonna bring you to the next page, and you're going to see where it says your application has been submitted for Landbot review right here, and click on the verify email. Click on here, it says continue with Google, and you're gonna be able to sign in completely using your Google account, which log me into my account. And it's gonna take me to my dashboard right here. So I'm gonna click on dismiss right here. So I'm just gonna scroll down. Afterwards, you're going to see where it actually says application pending right here. So you can click on it right here. It says your application was received. We'll let you know when Landbot has an update on your application via email. So once you've actually been approved right there on the Landbot platform, you're gonna have a special link, your promotional link, where you can actually promote Landbot right there, so you can actually make money whenever someone actually purchase the product right here or the service. You keep making money right here on partnerstack. So I'm going to show you where to promote, because they're going to approve you within 24 hours or some few days, but you're going to get approved right here, so that way you can quickly start making money right here on the platform. So I'm going to share with you different methods to actually make money right here from Landbot. It's a free platform like Quora right here. So you can see Quora is actually a free platform where you can actually answer questions right here, and you can promote your affiliate links as well using the Quora platform. And when someone who is actually searching for those type of answers to those questions, they can actually find your answers, and eventually they can actually use your link to make the purchase right there on the Landbot platform, and you get to make money, right? So what you need to do is just come to the Quora search bar right there and put in where it actually says chatbots for customer service right there, then click on it, and you're gonna find lots of questions right there that you can answer, because the main technique here is for you to answer questions right there. So you can see it says which is the best chatbot provider for customer service, and So what you can do is click on here where it says answer. So click on answer right there, so you can actually put an answer to this question, and at the end you put in your affiliate link. So I'm just going to write something basic right here for the purpose of this video. So you want to make sure that you actually write something good right here on the answer page right here. Make sure to write a very good content right here. Then afterwards, I like to actually put in call to action. That way, this is the call to action which says click here to try Landbot for free. So people who are actually interested in Landbot, they're gonna read all this stuff right there, and if they're actually interested, because not everyone is gonna read till the end, so what will happen is when they actually reach to this place, they can actually see where it says click here to try Landbot for free. So you can actually put in your affiliate link right here. So I'm going to show you exactly how to put in your affiliate link. So what you need to do is just highlight the content right here, then come down here and click on where it actually says link, and that way you can actually put in your affiliate link right here. Then afterwards you can put in your affiliate links right there. Just click on here which says add, and once you click on add, you're going to see right here this is now clickable. So anyone who actually reads this content and they're actually interested in Landbot, they're gonna read all this stuff and they're gonna be tempted to actually click here to try for free, basically, which will take them to the affiliate page where they get to read about Landbot or the website right there, and if they make a purchase, we actually get to make money right there. So content, because as you can see it says add an image to reach more people, so meaning that you need to actually add images right there, add image that makes sense right to the content that you're actually trying to promote right here on this platform. So after you must have had an image right here, so what you want to do is you click on post right there, and it's gonna post your content for you. And what you need to do is to look for more content as well. So what you want to do is look for more questions right there relating to chatbot for customer service. It could be for social media and stuff, since the Landbot is also a chatbot for social media and other stuff like this. So just look for lots of questions and make sure to answer lots of questions relating to chatbot right there, and place your affiliate link, so that when someone actually read through, they're gonna now finally be forced to click through your affiliate link to go to the website. If they actually make a purchase, then you actually make money right there. And this just prove right here that I've actually been using the Quora platform for a long time, and I've been getting lots of views, which means people are actually interested in content right here because they come to actually seek answers to questions right here. So if you actually position yourself in a place where you can answer lots of questions, you're gonna get lots of people coming in to check your Quora answers right there, and if it's actually engaging enough, they're gonna convert for you to actually make money right here. So you can see right here all time right here I've gotten around 2,000 views right there on this platform. So you can see right here there are lots of people coming right here to check out stuff right here on the